Epson introduces the Expression Premium ET7750 Ecotank wide format printer. Engineered for outstanding print quality, from 4x6 photos to 11x17 marketing materials, it's the ideal all-in-one for making your best impression. It offers cartridge-free printing and easy-to-fill supersized ink tanks, so you're always ready to print. It includes up to 2 years of ink in the box. That's enough to print up to 14,000 pages black, 9,000 color, equivalent to about 30 ink cartridge sets. That equals $1,300 in ink value. Refilling is clean and easy with Epson's exclusive auto-stop ink bottles. You save up to 80% on ink with low-cost replacement bottles. Because it's an Epson, you can count on outstanding print quality. The 7750 uses 5 color inks for print shop quality documents and photos, including photos up to 8.5 by 11. PC-free printing is easy with built-in USB and memory card slots. Plus, dedicated paper and photo trays means you're always ready to print what you want. The 7750 is the ultimate wireless printing solution. Plus, it includes Wi-Fi Direct and Ethernet. A large, easy-to-read 2.7-inch color LCD enables easy setup and fast navigation. And for protection you can count on, a 2-year limited warranty is free with registration. Enjoy the freedom to print anything you want in color without worry. The new Expression Premium ET7750 Ecotank wide format all-in-one printer, only from Epson. The ideal printer for making your best impression. Epson. Exceed your vision.